Welcome today in front of me Meizu M5s, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now, as can you see, by double press to the home button, I can enable the launch the camera application, and now I'll show you how you can just turn it off. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the accessibility section. Now just scroll a little bit more down to the system, and here you'll see the double press home button section. Tap there, and now as can you see, we can launch the camera by double press to the power button and just switch it to the no response. And and now just will check that, and as can you see, by double press to the home button I can enable the camera or another application. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.